So, Vegan Spicer, who is it you've got here with you today?
Today, I have the beautiful Noah, who is my niece. Say hi, Noah.
Hi.
And what are you making?
We're making a strawberry cupcake with sprinkles on.
Ooh.
Yeah. Okay, what are our ingredients? What are we using today? What's that there?
Flour.
Flour.
Brown sugar.
What's that? That's almond milk.
Almond milk.
I think we've got some
Vegetable
oil. Yes. That's some vinegar. That'd be quite nice. And we've got some vanilla extract. And here we've got some baking powder. We've got some cinnamon. We've got some salt
Baby powder?
Baking powder. We've got baking powder. Oh, we get baking powder, cinnamon, salt, and soda powder.
Yeah.
Bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda, that's it, yes. Massey, out. Sorry, that's my dog again being a nuisance. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put this all in a bowl, mix it together,
Yeah.
and then put it into cupcakes and put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to make our frosting.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
A big bowl. This bowl has been in my family for 500 years. And we've got this, what's this, a sift. So we're going to try and sift all our stuff, all our ingredients through the sift. So, first some flour, please, Noah. Okay, nice. Here we go, and more flour. Okay. That's okay, don't worry about that. That's okay. And sugar. Oh, okay, that's not really, that's our thick brown sugar. Maybe we won't sift that through. Just put that straight through, okay. What we got here now? Baking powder, isn't it?
Baking
Cinnamon.
powder,
Some
cinnamon.
salt. Yeah. Yeah, it goes in nicely. How's it going? Is it going? Okay, just like
And yes.
And we forgot to mention this in the beginning. What is that? Because we forgot about that, didn't we? What is it? How much? It's like a quarter of a cup of cacao. In you go.
Let's put it in.
There you go. And sift, 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 sift. And sift, 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 even more to me.
Yeah. Cacao's kind of a nut that people take the cacao off the tree and make into chocolate.
Okay, now we're going to add our wet ingredients to the dry mix. So, hold a sec now, we're going to have some, here's our almond milk. Get in there, get mixing, get mixing. Vegetable oil. Lovely balsamic vinegar. More, and let's put some lovely, I love the smell of this, smell that. Woo! That's vanilla extract. We're going to put a teaspoon of that in there. Are we? Yes or no?
Yeah.
There you go, there you go. Let's pass you, now get mixing, get mixing.
Uncle Paul, have you forgotten anything?
I've forgotten the
Yay!
cherries! Silly me. There we go. In. Right, we've got the difficult bit now of getting a lovely cake mix into our little cupcakes. This could be rather messy, couldn't it?
Oh.
Let's have a go. If anyone's got any ideas of how this is easily achieved, okay, that's it's not bad, not bad. I'm only filling them 3/4 of the way up to give them some room to grow.
Yeah.
No? Oh, it smells lovely. You can smell the chocolate.
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy.
It's chocolatey cherry.
Oh, it smells so yummy.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm going to do now? If the mixture tastes good, the cake will taste good.
Yeah.
Do you know that? Okay, let's go bake. Unfortunately, I've lost my little helper, the beautiful little Noah, my niece. She's had to go, so I'm going to finish the cupcake on my own. But it's going to be amazing. Miss you, Noah. Hey guys, for instructions on how to make the frosting, please check out my YouTube channel, The Vegan Spicer. I've done a great bit of frosting on the, I think it's my Jamaican rum and raisin cupcakes. They are also delicious, but all the instructions for how to make the frosting, you'll find there. Enjoy! Ooh.